How to share a Bluetooth credential with friends, families, or even renters. First, open your Alfred Home app and select the lock you want to share. Click the share button at the bottom, and this is where you can select the member that will be using this Bluetooth key. Select the member on the screen. If they're friends, family, and you want them to have permission to unlock this lock at any given time, leave it at the family level. If this is a renter or maybe somebody that is one-time use, select guest, which will change the settings and only allow them to use this lock to lock and unlock when you tell them to. You can keep the access as always, or so say this was for a renter and they only have a certain amount of time where they want to be in there, you can select always and you can change it to reoccurring. So for a contractor or maybe a dog walker that's only supposed to be there during the week at a certain time, or if you want to do it as a one-time use, you can select temporary. For this instance, we're going to do reoccurring. We're going to say our dog walker comes on Wednesdays, and we're going to set a time of 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. I'm going to set OK. Now, this Bluetooth key that we're going to send is a guest level. It's only going to work on Wednesdays between 1 and 4 o'clock, and we're going to confirm. The next step is we're going to select who we want to send that to. We can send it directly in a text message, directly to their phone. We're going to select the contact. We're going to get a device here, and all you're going to do is hit go, and it's going to send them a text which will give them the link to download the Alfred Home app and give them the Bluetooth key. Once they've accepted it, this will change from waiting for acceptance to active. Now, that person with that Bluetooth key will be able to open up the Alfred Home app on their device. When they walk up to your front door, their phone will connect over Bluetooth, and basically it will allow them to hit the blue button on their mobile device to lock and unlock. The second that they've unlocked that door, you, being the homeowner that owns the lock, will get a notification on your phone that says Corey, or guest, has unlocked that door. This is very helpful if you're using this for rental properties, or if you have contractors or workers coming in and out of your house at any given time throughout the day when you may not be home.